Hello scholars, welcome to another verbal reasoning class with Mrs. Ugu. This class promises to be exciting and fun. Let's look at the first exercise for this class. We are going to be looking at missing letters. Yes, I said the first exercise is missing letters. Let's look at the instruction. It says, choose the letter from these labeled A to E that can end the first word and begin the second. Choose the letter from those labeled A to E that can end the first word and begin the second. An example has been given. We have DIS bracket AVE. Then look for this word that can make DIS a complete word and the letter will also make AVE a complete word. The best option there is H. The H. It makes it a dish and have. Now, let's look at some questions. We have MALRI, malary, bracket action. So you look at it, what words in your head will have, you look at all the options. If we put H there, it doesn't work. B has A. If we put an A there, it makes sense. It has malaria and action. Yeah, that's the right word. That's the right letter and the right option. When we put an A in the bracket, we have malaria, then we have action. Then let's take another one. We have BAL bracket IGHT. What letter do you think if we put in the bracket, we end BAL to give us a concrete word and we begin IGHT? Wow, did I hear somebody say the best option is L? We have letter L. L gives us ball and begins light. Ball, light. That's beautiful. That's option E. Okay, let's move on to the third exercise or question rather. We have MIN brackets ND. So think, reason. What letter do you think we should pick? We have E, we have K, we have B, we have F, we have O. Which one do you think will make a complete sense? Wow, that's an E. Then that gives us mine and end. That's beautiful. Going to the second exercise, we have alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. In this exercise, I want you to have your ABC arranged in your mind so that you can apply it here. The instruction we have here says, arrange these words in alphabetical order using numbers to show which one comes first, second, third, and fourth. As we always do, you're going to read the words, find out are we working on the second letter or the third letter or the fourth letter. Where we have different letters, that's where we are going to work on. Question 31 on our exercise have kettle, keyhole, keepsake, and kennel. We have KETTLE, we have KEYHOLE, we have KEEPSAKE, we have KENNEL, kennel. So we are going to work on the third letter of each word. Number 1, we are going to look at T. Number 2, Y. Number 3, E. Number 4, N. Which comes first alphabetically? The one that will come first is N in kennel, followed by, the one that will come first is E in keepsake, E. That's the third letter there. Then after E, we go to N. Yes, after N, we go to T. You're right, I heard someone say T. Good. Before Y. So the best option here is 3, 4, 1, and 2. So B is the correct option. 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, let's try our fingers on the second question, number 32. We have scarce, scramble, scotch, scholar. Okay, so let's look at the first and second letters are all the same, but the third letters are different in each word. So we are going to work on the third letter. The third letter of scarce is A, followed by H, followed by O and R. So the best option is B. Okay, moving to exercise 3, we have the word pattern. Word pattern. And we have an instruction there which says, in each of the following questions, you are given 2 pairs of words and then a 5th word. Look carefully at the patterns and complete the last one. Look carefully at the patterns and complete the last one. An example has been given. We have in brackets best and beast. We have set and sit. We also have bed, and what do you think is the best option? Bead. Great. So let's pick a question, let's study it, and then pick the correct option. Number 36 question here, we have mame and maid in a bracket. We have rim and read in brackets. Then we have broom, and what do you think? Okay, let's study the pattern. Mame and maid, M was replaced with D in maid, while in rim and read, M was also replaced with the letter D. That brings us to the question. When we remove M in broom and we add a D, we have brood. We have what? Brood. So let's look at the option. Okay, as we can see, D is the correct option. B-R-R-O-D. Brood. Brood. Okay, join me now. Let's try our finger on question 38. Question 38, we have beast, then bet in a bracket. We have list and let in a bracket. Now we have yeast. Let's study the pattern. The first bracket, we have beast and bet, meaning that A and S was removed. Same applies in list and let. A and S was also removed. So when we come to yeast, let's remove A and S and see what we are going to get. Wow, you're correct. I heard you say yet. Beautiful. That means you're following. So let's do 39 together once more. We have white. We have item in a bracket. We have waste and stem in a bracket. Now they want us to find out water and what. So looking at what was done before, we can see the correct option is 10.